Tux. Let's go, bud. I got your food over here. Come on. Wish I had more hands in the morning. You coming? Come on, buddy. Let's go. Tux. Tux. Come on, bud. Doesn't feel too bad out here this morning. I didn't end up getting any more rain last night, but there's a pretty good chance today for more. Good boy. Hi guys, how you doing? Everybody wants to dry chow. It's a new bag of the special stuff, and it must smell really good when it's the fresh bag, and they're just all into it. Guys, there's other food here. Well, today Johnny and I are going to go to Life Touch Portrait Studios and get his senior picture made. They have tuxedos for the kids to put on long enough to get their picture taken. So this way his picture will look uniform with all the other kids in the yearbook. And, you know, it is a special year being his senior year and turning 18 and stuff. So Mom can take good pictures, but we're going to go have his picture made so it looks like everybody else's picture. That appointment is at 2, and that's like a 45-minute drive. So, you know, we'll be thinking about leaving out of here around 1. Don and I are fixing to go walk, and then I'll probably tinker with my Legos for a bit. Yeah, it's that time again. Thank you, Donnie. It's Mo over here at the Environmental Park Day. Pretty crepe myrtle. Nice breeze. Still plenty hot when you're standing in the sun. Yeah, I think the next 5 days is going to be killer. They were talking about Thursday and Friday being the worst, but today's not supposed to be so great. And then the weekend, the high temp is going to be cooler, but then the heat index is going to be about the same. So, I don't know how much relief I was thinking that was. Well, surprise, surprise, there really wasn't any trash up at the park today. We did a good job yesterday, Donnie.
That's right, we sure did.
Don's getting his vitamin D.
That's right.
There's nobody over here on the trail but us. Oh, wow. The vultures up in the sky. They're circling something. Well, thanks for cleaning it up for us, whatever it is. Wow, that's 6 cars in the parking lot plus the mowing crew. So I've got about 90 minutes before we leave for the senior photo shoot, and I'm going to build the fireplace. And I think I've decided it's only going on this side. Last night I said both sides, but this side, and then I'll have 2. I'll have one on the next, both floors will have it. Because I need a wall for the kitchen, and I think that's going to be this wall. So I'm probably just going to interleave over here, pull a couple of these out, and just fill the wall up with a window, a short window, just probably one of these, and then, or maybe just 2 of these, and then put the kitchen area over here, and this will be a family room area by the fireplace. And like I said, I've also got to figure out how I'm going to do the steps to the upstairs. Maybe here, probably here, and going this way, I think. My helper's back. Hi. Hi, helper. Hi. Hi. Johnny and I are headed to the portrait session. We're on time. We're supposed to be there at 2:10. It's saying 1:58, so we're all good. And it was on my calendar, so when I got in the car, Ruby just had up where we were going. I didn't have to plug anything in. That is awesome. Yep, it's raining. Don't know if it's raining at the house. Probably not. It looked like the farther north we ran into it over here on the turnpike. So we're basically headed up to the airport. We're right off Aviation Parkway. It looks like this place is in one of the warehouse buildings over there. I was telling Johnny it looks all grown up. You know, these things are exciting for us moms. What can we say? So up here on the right, there's a Porsche Taycan. I got distracted when I saw it when I came past. Missed, you know, closer parking, and you see it now, it's white. Here's where we're going. Right here. I came out to the car to grab a brush. You hear Ruby, she's hot. I have the AC set to 78. I thought you guys would appreciate seeing me actually opening up the Falcon Wing door next to another car, because I like never do that. I didn't have a lot of choice here. This parking lot, there's enough space. Definitely enough space for the door. The Taycan's gone. I apologize for not getting closer to it. But we were running, you know, never a spare moment when we're trying to make an appointment on time. Johnny did an awesome job doing what he was asked to do and posing. Apparently we've had some sort of an accident. I don't know that it rained right here. Somebody went off the road into the ditch. Might have even rolled, because I think the top of the car was dirty. I don't know. I didn't get that good of a look. Hopefully they're okay. But Johnny did great with the posing and, you know, 3 outfit changes and smiling and keeping his hair fixed. He did an awesome job, and we'll get the, you know, proofs. They'll email me, so hopefully we got some good shots. I feel like we did, especially the tux outfit for the yearbook and the first outfit probably. I took some mom pics. I'll put them up so you can see a few of them. And we're just headed back to the house. I heard the power's out near Clubworks in Fuquay, but Don hasn't said anything about our house, and I think he would have if it had rained and the power was out there, so hopefully not. I can't take another power outage. Well, Johnny's super excited. Birthday present, here I come. It's robot parts. UPS is bringing robot parts. The key to the universe?
Pretty close.
Yeah, part birthday and part a generous gift from a loyal viewer. Thank you.
I'm not gonna open the packages.
Yeah. Johnny said the robot teams don't like FedEx. We like UPS. So when he ordered his parts, he picked UPS. So we're going to a competition, I think the weekend of September the 23rd in Hickory.
Yes.
And this is enough to help him be ready for competition. He's officially enrolled in the competition this time.
This is what's so heavy in the box.
The battery. Must be a battery.
It's pretty much in there. I'm gonna have to break the box to get it.
Okay.
It's a piece of titanium.
Titanium. Oh yeah, I see. We don't know how we're going to cut that, but we're hoping Mr. Don has an idea.
Well, we can use Mr. Don's drill press, and he has a Dremel.
Yep.
Geez, this is a plate of tie. I've never seen a plate.
cool. Sounds like fun. Sounds like a project in the works. So before we left, I did get both fireplaces built and the one installed, although there's a little more decoration to go there, I think. And the original townhome had the stairs and the little access area to the basement in a corner, but I put mine here, and I think that's going to be okay, but I'm going to have to remove one of the windows and insert the door and the stairs here. Alright, I finally got the stairs how I want them. This is going to be a television screen, so I didn't build this wall up as high, or I'll put vases on it or something. I'll have to just, it'll be white, it'll be topped white, but I got to decide how many studs, and I really got to place the other stuff before I can do the floor. And I don't know, I need to study the building instructions. I don't think I like their kitchen or their chairs. I don't know, maybe the chairs at the table are okay, but yeah. Anyway, this is done. You can see it. Oh, no, no, no. Oh, I didn't mean, I was trying so hard not to close it. Yeah, I got it back open. I'm just showing you that it does still go down to the basement. I'm probably going to leave it like that. But anyway, a chair and a TV over here, and a table with a couple chairs and a kitchen stuff over here. But I think I'm going to do a little bigger table. I got to think about it, so I'm going to stop for tonight. You know, in the real world, you never see this. So the fact that it's, you know, that it's like that doesn't matter, because these pins, it goes up against another house. And same thing with the other side, although I did put the kitchen window here. The poor person in the kitchen will never actually get to see out the window. I'm tired. The stairs took longer than I thought, but I'm happy with it. I've not come across anything that's not going to make this design not work.